So peep this real quick, guys. We are back for this week. Last week was good. We came out profitable. Six winners, six losers. So winners 2 hour, losers 1 hour. So we came out profitable. So this week we're starting the week with GBP JPY, and I just missed an opportunity. Well, it's not yet London session. This is pre-London session. So I'm still waiting for any retracement to take the sell, but I missed the opportunity here because I was looking at the market. Let me show you what this chart is looking at. I was looking at the market, and the price just moved so fast. See, after this range, I was waiting for market to come back to give us a retest on this range before we took our sell. Then we had a minor range on our M1, and I wanted price to retest, but price retested fast, and I really don't want to follow up that momentum because it's a Monday. I don't want to follow up that momentum and just ride it, but you can still see we just got to 1:1 if I was on the trade. So I just need price to go back, give me a clearer retracement before I enter this trade. I don't want to just jump in the gun and just FOMO and take a trade. So it's all about precision, you get me, all about patience. And if this trade just keep falling down, I'll leave it, you get me. There's no need to rush. There's no need to rush and take any trade. Opportunities will always show itself in the market. So every trade you must treat it like it's a business investment, because there's money going inside. You're investing money to make money, so you don't just jump the gun. Understand? Yeah, the trade might be going to TP, but still, is it your setup? If it's not your setup, just leave it. If the trade left you, just leave it. Another trade will come, and just let the probability work out for you, get me? So yeah, that's for today. GBP JPY, we're still waiting, you get me? So we're still waiting. Let's just see how this trade plays out. So what's up, guys? Yeah, London session, Tuesday 9th of June. The trade yesterday hit stop. Not actually hit stop, but the SL placement was wrong I used. So I did not know. When I came back, I was stopped out. Look at this GBP JPY. You can see after I changed my bias, price came back down. We did not even get to the stop loss region, and I got stopped out literally at this level here. I don't know why. It's not spread because I used the wrong stop loss region, and it was a bit up, but this was what I was expecting. Maybe I made a bad placement, but you can see the trade still went back up. So that's like 2 losses for yesterday. One of the thing I even took AUD USD. The AUD USD, you can see we went to 1:1 first before it came back down. So it's still good. It was a losing day. I take it to my chest that yesterday was a losing day, and I journaled everything. So yeah, let's see how today trade goes, because I'm already on GBP JPY. You can see this is let me show you. You can see this is a resistance area. We're testing at support at this zone, and we're already in this buy. So let's just see. With this buy, we're going to recover let's say 2%, 2 hour of our account, you get me. If it doesn't go well, minus 1 hour of our account. So let's just see how it goes and peep that. So peep this, guys. Price just hit TP, and we are close for our GBP JPY buys. Let me show you how the chart is looking. You can see we've been following the trend all through, higher highs and higher lows, following the trend. You can see all my trade has been following the trend, market structure, break of structure, break and retest, you get me. This bearish momentum, I had to take myself from this level, broke structure, started going up. Same thing that is happening here. Price broke this resistance, came back to test as support at this zone, you get me. We saw our candlestick analysis, our chart pattern at this level on our lower time frame, we take as our buys. So now we've hit TP, and you get me, So here's the P&L for today. This is for the 10k account, which I was in a little bit of drawdown because I took those 2 losses yesterday. You get me? So now we are back up in profit, and this is for the 25k account, which I'm still in drawdown. And if I take any winning trade right now, maybe tomorrow I'll be because I'm done trading today, it's a winning day. You get me? So tomorrow, if I take a trade, I win, I will be out of the drawdown for this account. You get me? If I lose, I'll just be minus 2R or minus 1R. So that's just it, and this is today P&L, and let's see how tomorrow plays out. So guys, we just got stopped out of this trade. GBP USD stop loss, Euro JPY went to 1.4R first. My stop was now on break even. But we've not yet hit stop loss, but I trailed my stop to this last swing low here, so we stopped out like half of the stop loss is gone. So yeah, if I was risking 1% for this trade, I lost 0.5%. That's how I'm managing my risk, get me? So yeah, we are done trading today. Till tomorrow. So 1 loss, and tomorrow come back strong, you get me? I'm trading today, and this is our P&L, EJ and GU. So we took a loss on EJ and we won 1 trade on GU. So this is how I cut these moves. So this is GU, that's GBP USD, and you can clearly see what the market is doing, giving us higher highs, higher low, higher highs, higher low, higher highs. So this is a key zone where I drew out on my H4 time frame, understand? So I said when price get to this key zone, that's when I'll be looking for my entry. So we got to the key zone, and inside this key zone we started consolidating at this level here. So after this consolidation, you can see price is moving in one direction, which is sideways. That's consolidation, that's a ranging market. So after we saw this ranging market, price broke and came back to retest, grab liquidity, and this is very, very important. This liquidity grab at this level, we came back, grab liquidity, and we saw this bullish momentum. Then we took our buy at this level, then price went to its TP. So that's for GBP USD. And our trade for EJ, you get me? You can see we took 2 trades, 1 loss and 1 winner. Well, the EJ, we did not practically lost the trade because I trade my stop. Well, we lost the trade, but I trade my stop and price stopped me out. But the full trade never hit stop loss, but I got out because I was trailing my stop. You get me? So in this market, all you need to understand is protect your capital. So let me show you how I got this EJ buys. So the same thing that was happening on our GBP USD, the same thing. This is our key zone. When price got to our key zone, price broke our key zone, came back to retest and gave us this nice bullish engulfing. So after we saw this nice bullish engulfing, we took our buys. Price went to 1:1, came back down. We traded our stop to this swing low right here. So after I traded our stop to this swing low right here, price came back down, stopped us out, and started going in our favor. But that was a minor loss for us, you get me, because we did not hit full SL. So yeah, that's the trade for Euro JPY and GBP USD. And when it comes to forex, all you need to understand is treat every trade as unique as possible, because this is a business, understand? So you are actually putting money to get money, you get me? So any money you put in the market, any money you are risking, you need to understand that that trade needs to make sense. You need to have all your confluences aligned before you take any trade, so you won't have that FOMO, understand? So this is our P&L, and that's how I got these trades, you get me? Peep that. So peep this real quick, guys. We are back, and this is London session. I just woke up, as you can see. Again, we need to just be very active when it comes to these challenges, understand? I don't want to miss any opportunities. So I just caught a sell on NZD/USD, a very early sell, and everything aligned to my strategy, so I'm very much okay with it. It's still the same kind of the same kind of move that happened on GBP USD and Euro JPY yesterday I was talking about. Let me show you. Key zone, we reacted at our key zone, we got our bearish momentum and we entered. This is like a bearish variation. These three bearish candles engulf just one bullish candle, so it's a bearish variation. So after that we saw a minor break of structure on our lower time frame before taking our sell. So this is the only trade I see that I like today right now, so I don't want to look at any other thing right now. So I'm all focused on this trade, managing this trade the way I can, you get me? So I have a management plan of when price gets 1:5, I put my stop to break even. If price gets 1:1, I don't put my stop to break even, because most times when I back tested, most time when price gets 1:1, it comes back a lot to stop me out before goes to TP. So I love to give price that space, give me that cushion, that room to breathe. So 1:1.5, because when price gets 1:1.5 to 1:1.67, sometimes I do close out at those levels, you get me? I don't always let price hit 1:2, because I really don't like leaving profits on the table. I've learned that a lot, understand? So yeah, that's it for this trade. So I will let you guys know how the trade plays out, so keep that. So yeah, we just passed our stage phase 2 on our 10k account, so we are live funded with our 10k account, but the 25k account we are still in drawdown, you get me? So this trade I had to just catch a 1:1, you get me? Then I got out on a 1:1 on my 10k account before we passed it, you get me? So now we just scaled in on our other account, understand? So the price is still playing out. So now we are funded 10k live, and let's go from there. From that payout, so if we get a payout from our 10k account, we're using the payouts to buy bigger accounts, you get me? I'm just trying to document this process, how to actually go from a smaller account to a bigger account, you get me? So pick that, let's go. See, funny tips won't carry me play. Just take a look at this trade. Look at where my entry is, and look at where the stops were. See where the stop did, and they stopped me out before the trade just moved to TP. I don't even really own it. This is not spread. This is literally not spread. They just sent me my new 10k live account, and with this trade I would have come out of this drawdown, because just take a look at this setup. This is the volatility that came in. I already have 2 positions inside after we got stopped out, and I was like, okay, since we are at our last risks, let me just risk it and just take the trade. I took the trade. Price was coming to this level, price was retracing. After this retracement, they just stopped me out while the stop was just at this level, you get me? It's really crazy, but there's nothing I can do, you get me? So we just go again. And you know what the funny part is? They stopped me out in a loss while I was in profit. The price literally just melted down in profit, and they just stopped me out in a loss, you get me? And because of that, I'm 0 point something percent before I even lose that account. This trade would have brought me out of profit and out of drawdown, and I'll be up in some profit, but because of what just happened, they literally stopped me out in a loss. So it's crazy, and I just say, okay, we just go again, understand? We go again, just slow and steady, guys. It's a Friday, the last trading day of the week, and yesterday we passed our phase 2 and we are funded live, and we just took our first trade on our funded live account. Mind you, that 25k account, they breached it for me, understand? So it was breached. That stuff that happened breached the account. So now we are breached on our 25k, but on our 10k, I think this trade will give us our first payout on our 10k, you get me? So that's what I'm trying to do. So if we hit our TP on on our 10k accounts, we will be withdrawing 400 $300 to $400, and we are using that to fund another account. Now we are going higher, understand? So I just want to make this series all about scaling your prop firms, understand? So yeah, this is the trade we took today on our GBP JPY. You get me? The same entry I was talking about, key zone, price got to our key zone, we saw this bullish momentum, price came back to give us a retracement, and now we are taking this buy from this level to this level. So that's just the trade for Friday, and we will see what's happening. I already see another entry on our Euro JPY, but still I just speak GBP JPY because GBP JPY have been having a lot of volatility recently. You get me? GBP JPY tends to hit the target first before every other pair that I know of. This past few weeks I have been making my analysis. So yeah, this is the trade for Friday, and let's see how it plays. Hit stop loss, break even, TP. I will show you. So let's go, guys. So guys, high probability setup still hits SL. That's how it is. That's trading for you. All we think about here is probability. Understand? This is how the trade is looking. You can see the price came back, stopped us out. I feel price is grabbing liquidity to continue up. So we took a new buy on Euro JPY. So let's see how this trade plays out, and you get me. So peep this real quick, guys. We just come to the end of this week trade journal. You get me? And this our last trade. I would say I broke my trading rule for this particular trade because I was supposed to take 2 trades, but I took 3 trades. You get me? The reason why I closed one on a minor risk. You get me? After I took that EJ trade, I told you GBP JPY I wanted to start buying again. You get me? And I saw that momentum and I entered again. Yeah, the market still went to that same momentum, but it had to stop me out before we head back up. And the trade for the EJ, I had to reduce my risks a bit. You get me? For me to be able to take this GJ, because I was just seeing a clean buy. But still we got stopped out on the GJ and we got stopped out on the EJ before the EJ started going into profit. Let me even show you how that trade is looking. So this is the GJ I took again. After we got stopped out, I took this buy again. So now we came back to grab all the liquidity at this zone again to start going up. So I was right on the direction but wrong on my entries. You get me? And the EJ trade, yes, the EJ trade is in profit. If I had just left my stop loss to this region, it would have been a good setup for me and I would have avoided those losses. So that was a bad trade management plan for me. So I had to reduce my risks to this level here at this low right here. It's still a good trailing stop still, so price came back, stopped me out, and we are in profit right now. Now I still trade my personal account again. I still trade my personal account. So in my personal account, I'm in profit in this trade. I'm still in this trade because my personal account it's an account where I make sure I follow all my rules to the core. So that's by the corner, and this is just for the challenge. I'm just doing this for the challenge, and now we are down 4% for this 10k live. So on this series, we came from drawdown from our 10k to passing the phase 1 and passing the phase 2, and now we are in live account, and now we are trading live. And this drawdown, next week I believe we will be out of this drawdown and make our first withdrawal. The 25k account is gone, and you saw the whole confusion with the prop, how they stopped me out and all those stuff, and how the account just got blown. And I really don't know. I would have been up in profit by now with that account, but prop firms, you get me? So you just have to rinse and repeat. So this is the end of this video, and peep that, you get me.